So in this video, we will learn VLAN and inter-VLAN using Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you have to take one switch from here. This layer 3 switch. Then we will take layer 2 switch. Then we will select some pieces. Now, with the connection type, select one by one. It's automatically select. Okay. Now this topology is ready. This is layer 3 switch. Okay. Switch is layer 2 switch. And the VLAN is the VPC and this is VLAN 20. So now you have to give the IP address of PC, PC, and select top IP configuration, type the IP address 192.168.10.101. Okay, 192.168. This is the gateway and this is the IP address. Similarly, you have to give IP address also. The default gateway is the same. Both this VLAN 20 desktop IP configuration 192.168.20.101. The default gateway is 20.1. This unit 02 IP address and the default gateway is 20.1. Is given for the system on the desktop. Now go to port switch means layer 3 switch. This is CLI mode. This is the management card on. You have to select this. Okay. Now go to CLI. So this is the interface is this is gig 1/0/1 and this is gig 1/0/2 to interface. Enable conf means configuration terminal. This is a short form conf. Host name is the we have to give the host name. Host name space where the switch. Now see the host name is changed here. I have to make VLAN. You have to create VLAN. First is VLAN 10 name. We have give any kind of name. Then IT. Okay. Exit. Again create VLAN 20. Name is equal to admin. Okay. So the VLAN is created. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Now we have to give the access. So this is for VLAN 10 and 20, and also this is the VLAN 10 and 20. So this is the trunk. Okay. So the command is switch port. Sorry, exit. Switch port interface gig 1/0/1. Now switch port mode turn, switch port turn, allow VLAN what 10 and 20, 10 command 20. Okay, so VLAN allowed for the this interface. Type exit. Again go to interface gig 1/0/2. Switch port mode turn, switch port turn, allow VLAN 10 and 20. Exit. So give the VLAN access for both the interface. This is the this is the two different VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So in inter-VLAN you have to give the routing protocol, routing path. In layer 3 switch you have to write one command. It's called IP routing. IP space routing. Okay. Now exit. How to save? Is copy running config to startup config. Yes. Okay. Another command is write. Okay. The configuration is done by for the layer 3 switch. Now go to layer 2 switch. Enable empty system is equal to layer 2 switch, or you can name it hostname VLAN 10. Okay. So you have to create VLAN here. VLAN 10 is for VLAN 10 only. Name IT. Okay. Now exit. So this interface is your trunking interface. This system is your access interface. So this interface is FA0/1. So go to interface. Sorry, int FA0/1. Switch port mode is trunk. This is the trunking, and the command is switch port access VLAN 10. You have to access only VLAN 10. Only VLAN 10. Okay. Now if you want to enter VLAN, you have to give VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 also. So first of all, again you go to exit, create VLAN 20 here. Name is equal to admin. You go to enter switch port turn, switch port turn, allow VLAN 10 and exit. And this interface is f0/2 and f0/3. You can give one command using range command. Okay, so interface range fa0/2 to 0/3, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN in, exit, then write. That was the short form. Okay. Now again go to the second switch, enable on T. Okay. The host name would be host name is space VLAN 20. Again create two VLAN here. VLAN 10 in PIT, then VLAN 20 name should be admin. Now this is your trunking interface and this is your access interface. Okay. Go to interface f0/1, switch port mode turn, switch port turn, allow VLAN 10 and 20 to exit. Then go to your access interface using range interface range fa0/2 to 3, switch port mode access, switch port access, then 20, exit, exit, right. So your all the configuration is ready. Now we have to check by using ping command. Go to this PC command prompt. We first of all we have to check the IP address here. To config, we have to ping this PC. Ping 192.168. Sorry. 192.168.10.102. This is your this this IP is this PC. Okay. Now I want to ping from this PC to this PC. Go to ping 0.1. First, this will lost. There is a mistake. I think. Let's check. Mistake. I think so running. Is your tongue a VLAN 1020? Okay. Is your VLAN G? This is all good. 801. password. Sorry, I mistake. To give the IP address for each VLAN. That's the mistake I done. Go to the layer 3 switch on to type interface VLAN 10. You have to give the IP address for individual VLAN. Okay. Go to interface VLAN 10. Then type IP address 192.168. Then dot gateway of the default gateway. So again, interface VLAN 10. IP address 192.168.1. Everything is good. Right. Now I think the system 192.168. Now so see what I have done. This PC 192.168. Ping will be lost last time. See, this is working now. You can check from this. This IP is this PC IP. Okay, I have to ping from this PC to this PC. There are two different IP, different network. 192.168.10 dot something is different network, and 192.168.20 dot something is different network. So we can ping different network using inter-VLAN concept. Okay. You can type here. IP address is 192.168.10.101. The IP address is 192.168.102. That is 192.168.102. Okay. Now, so what do we learn here? VLAN, VLAN, and inter means you can ping same network using VLAN, you can ping different network using inter-VLAN. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will learn VTP concept. VTP means virtual trunking protocol using VLAN.